I've noticed that there are a lot of women out there who are really struggling in business. And it's very difficult to watch when you see high-achieving women or emerging leaders really struggling to be successful and to make the impact and the mark that they really want to make where they are. Oftentimes they're feeling like a fraud. They feel like the terrific idea they have to build business and to bring more revenue into a company is simply not heard. Sometimes they're conflicted between their power and influence and how to actually use that appropriately, or even own it, to be perfectly frank. They struggle at times to connect to other people who can bridge them to the next best opportunity for them, or to build their credibility in the business world where they're working. My heart goes out to these women because I have been one of those women too. I spent 22 years in the corporate arena climbing just like all of you. And now as an entrepreneur in this arena, it's no different. 2012 is actually a pivotal time for women in business, where our power and our influence and our ability to influence the economy and our own lives and the safety and security of our own lives is at its height. So I want to help you, this woman who is having trouble grasping their achievement, grasping their ability to create new opportunities in the world and create your own freedom for your personal life. What I've done is I've created a 3-day retreat out in the beautiful mountains of St. George, Utah, to invite all of you to come. And in this intimate setting of just women only, we're going to focus on your vision for your success and for your life so that you can be crystal clear. Clarity is always important. We're going to identify the things that are holding you back from getting what you really want in your work and also in your personal life. We're going to talk about communication skills and the relationships that you need to build and how to build them to really get what you want. But most importantly, we're going to work on your confidence, which is to really identify your value and the values in which you want to work, as well as the relationships you need to build to get where you want to go. That is super important. All of this comes down to rebuilding your confidence so that you can stop feeling like a fraud and make a positive impact in the business that you're in and in your own bottom line. Because that's really the bottom line, is your bottom line, is the income that you're bringing in, your earnings, and your ability to continue to grow that over the years. Listen, I know it's a risk for you to go to a retreat like this, but I want to assure you, you're going to be in a safe, supportive environment with other women, professional women from the corporate arena and from the entrepreneurial world who are going to support you all along the way because they've been there too and they're working on the same issues that you're working on. That's what's so great about this. It is a gamble for you to come. And I promise I'm not going to make you work the entire time. I promise that you will have some downtime to relax and recoup and allow yourself to enjoy the beautiful red mountains of St. George. If you want to hike, you're welcome to hike with me and several other people who will be coming. And if not, you can just go to a yoga class and sit and read and do whatever you like in between in your free time.